You're welcome back, guys. Are you dreaming of moving abroad in 2025? But you're worried about the cost, the stress of visas, and whether countries even want newcomers anymore, especially if you've been trying to relocate to countries like Canada, UK, Australia, and it has proven so difficult. Well, here is some good news for you. This particular country we are going to explore in this video is not only opening its door wide, but is also offering incentives, affordable houses, and hundreds of thousands of new work visas. That country is Italy. Yes, Italy, the land of pasta, art, and history for anyone seeking a low-cost, simple, and realistic pathway abroad in 2025. Stick with me through this video as we explore why Italy needs new immigrants right now. Number 2, the work visa program offering 500,000 slots. Thirdly, the rural towns giving you homes for as low as €1. Then fourthly, cash grants worth up to €44,000. And finally, a clear step-by-step plan to make your relocation dream to Italy come true. So we're going to dissect this one after the other. The first one, why Italy wants you. Let's start with the big picture. Italy is facing a demographic crisis right now. The population is shrinking, the birth rate is low, and many young Italians have moved abroad for jobs. That leaves the entire towns with only elderly residents, and some villages are even close to disappearing. So what's the solution? Immigration. In fact, the Italian government announced in mid-2025 this year that they plan to issue almost 500,000, almost 500,000 work visas to non-EU nationals between 2026 and 2028. Starting with 164,850 visas in 2026 alone. Guys, you can be one of these persons if you're willing to relocate to Italy. So this isn't a rumor at all, it's an official government policy, and it means that for the first time in years, Italy is actively competing for newcomers. You don't want to miss out on this amazing opportunity. Skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and even remote workers are highly needed in Italy as we speak. So if you've been looking for a realistic chance to move abroad, this is it. Now let's move to the other section, which is section 2, the work visa opportunity. Now let's break down this visa pathway. The Italian government is opening doors across several sectors like agriculture, hospitality, healthcare, construction, and even remote freelance opportunities. Also, with over 160,000 visas in just the first year, the chances are higher than ever before. Guys, you have a high chance of moving to Italy. Application fees are relatively low compared to other European countries, generally between 100 to 200 euros. Then the processing is expected to be faster since Italy is targeting urgent labor shortages. This pathway is perfect if you already have professional experience because you can secure a job, get a work visa, and then move your life to Italy. Guys, here is the best part. Italy's visa quotas are among the largest in Europe right now. While countries like Canada and the UK are tightening immigration rules, Italy is opening wider. Now let's move to section 3, the rural relocation programs. Italy doesn't stop at visas. They are also encouraging people to move to rural towns and revive local communities. Guys, programs in Calabria, Sicily, Puglia, and Molise are offering homes for as little as €1. Yes, €1. These are abandoned houses that need renovation, but the deals are real, guys. They are also giving out cash grants between 15,000 and 44,000 euros if you agree to relocate, live there for a few years, and either start a small business or work remotely. Imagine moving to a scenic village overlooking the Mediterranean, owning a house, and even receiving money to settle there. These aren't just promotional campaigns. Several towns have successfully revived themselves with newcomers. Foreigners have opened cafes, bed and breakfast, and digital businesses while living a much lower cost lifestyle than in big cities. Now let's move to the benefit of moving to Italy. One of the biggest advantages of relocating to Italy is the cost of living. Rent in smaller towns can be as low as 300 to 500 euros per month. There are fresh food and they are very affordable, especially if you shop at local markets. Healthcare is public, meaning residents get access to healthcare services at very low cost. Transport in rural areas may require a car, but overall expenses are still far cheaper than in London, Paris, and New York. For people coming from countries with weaker currencies like Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Italy offers an affordable entry into the European lifestyle with all the benefits of EU residency and mobility. Now let's move to step-by-step guide on how to relocate. Alright, let's get practical here, guys. Here is a step-by-step roadmap. The first thing you need to do is to choose your pathway. Decide if you want to go through a work visa route, rural town relocation, or entrepreneurial ground. Now, the step 2 is you are going to prepare your documents. You are going to need your passport, that's your international passport, proof of work experience, your CV, and in some cases a business plan. That's if you are an entrepreneur and want to start up a business in Italy. The third step is to check Italy's visa quotas when applications are opened. Apply early for higher chances. That is why I'm bringing it to my community so that you can be one of the first beneficiaries. So now let's move to step 4. If you're going through the rural pathway, contact the town halls directly. Guys, you can contact the town halls directly. Many villages have official website listing available homes and grants. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe so that I can bring up some of these towns and their contact and everything you need to know about getting in touch with them. Now, the fifth step is to secure accommodation, whether renting first or applying for a €1 home renovation program. Then the last step is you're going to apply for residency and work permits. Once approved, guys, you can pack your things and leave. You can pack your things, move to Italy, leave work, and even travel across the EU countries. The process may sound formal, but compared to Canada, the UK, or the US, it is simpler, faster, and cheaper. So Italy in 2025 offers one of the easiest and most affordable pathways to relocate abroad with a €500,000 visas, cash incentives, and homes for €1. The opportunities are endless for those ready to take the leap. Guys, if you've been dreaming of moving abroad, this might just be the year to make it happen. So what do you think about it? Would you move to Italy if you're given the chance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides on how to relocate abroad easily, affordably. This channel brings you the world's best opportunities straight to your screen. So guys, jump on this opportunity. If you have any question, you can drop it for me in the comment section. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and in my next video I'll keep updating you. So till I see you in my next video, bye.